show have you seen? Body Bags. Ooh, I haven't seen Body Bags. Now I'm interested. Elegance. I put on oops, it's not a pearl, it's knit. I put on Satin Puppets because they got very pretty much all their music and vibe is like spooky. And then I just did like the Satin Puppets radio, so it's all like similar music. Has John Carpenter in it. So funny. I will have to check it out. Thing is I always say that I'm going to check out a movie. I'm terrible at watching movies these days. I surprised myself the other day and watched a movie. What the hell was it called? It had, what's his name? Oh, short guy from Game of Thrones. Peter something or other his name is, I think. Anyways, he was in it. It was actually a pretty good movie. It was a funny movie. But I was like, I saw it on TikTok, Peter Dinklage. Um, you know how like TikTok will have like those random like bits from like TV shows and movies. I was scrolling through and I came across that, and I was like, well, that looks interesting. I got to go find that and watch it. Well, Jam, it's an anthology, so you only need to watch part by part. Oh, and hey, Ruthless, I didn't even see you sneak in. I do that on my floors when I wear socks, so I either don't wear socks or I wear shoes. I'm kind of the same way, but come wintertime, I wear more socks. Sorry, Zalara, I just literally just saw that message. I'm awake. I'm waking up. My brain is less foggy, but I am definitely still not fully keeping up with chat. That's why I am obsessed with anthology sometimes.